Department of BHM. S. Nijalingappa College has been catering to the need of this industry from as long back as 1991. The professional BHM course at S. Nijalingappa College aims at developing young talent for the hotel industry, enabling them to build their skills to venture into allied fields. The program focuses on allowing students to imbibe technical knowledge and soft skills required to be in hotel operations. Each batch has about 60 students. The curriculum is intended to give an overview of business management in general and hotel industry in particular, with main focus on hands-on experience. At S. Nijalingappa College, the BHM program exposes students to a comprehensive and intense program spread over 4 years. The uniqueness of the BHM program is a harmonious blend of theory and practice. Subjects are taught through lectures by experienced faculty members. The department has an excellent infrastructure for all practical purposes. These include 2 front offices, 2 advanced training kitchens, 2 quality training kitchens, 2 basic training kitchen, a bakery and a confectionery, 1 restaurant with a mock bar, a specialty restaurant, housekeeping section, laundry and linen room, 2 well-furnished model guest rooms, a computer lab and a nutrition lab. Students undergo various training sessions that are highly experiential in nature. This includes understanding the importance of housekeeping as it is responsible for the aesthetic appearance of the hotel, bed making in rooms, various types of flower arrangements based on the need and situation, thus enhancing the beauty of any space, vegetable carving, baking dishes, decorating and presenting dishes, cooking a whole host of Indian and international dishes in an elaborate kitchen. The food production staff is also exposed to international standards on food presentation. They learn to prepare international cuisines from expert chefs and also get hands-on experience on quantity cooking for large gatherings and catering purposes. A very interesting section is where the students get experiential training in food and beverage services along with customer service training. Let us take a tour of all top-class facilities at the BHM department. A reception area where students are taught the art of welcoming guests, being professional and friendly. Housekeeping section. Housekeeping is responsible for maintenance and cleaning of any hotel. Students learn that housekeeping staff are very hands-on members of a hotel as they maintain a clean, hygienic interior and exterior of the hotel, flower arrangements, take care of laundry, room service and others. Bakery and confectioneries section. Being one of the key sections of food production, students in this section learn all the ingredients that go into great quality baking, techniques to processing bakery items, beautifying dishes with icing and other decorations. They learn how to make different types of breads, cakes, pastries, cookies and Indian sweets. Specialty restaurant. This is a trend becoming very popular in India, where restaurants specialize in multicultural cuisine. Not only is the ambience unique, guests here also get to enjoy a live kitchen. Chefs and serving staff perform their best, whether it's about putting an interesting and colorful cocktail together from the all-equipped bar cabinet, tastefully serving guests, or smoking, flaming and grilling dishes. Advanced training kitchen. Starting with the basic art of cutting, slicing, grating, shredding vegetables to give it an even look, to cooking dishes that are South Indian, North Indian or Chinese, students learn it all. The department provides huge learning opportunities to the BHM students from the outside world. One that students look forward to is the on-the-job training, where every student gets to do an internship with a star hotel. Here, the students spend 3 months in all operational departments and ancillary departments of the hotel. The department organizes frequent seminars and workshops in interesting subjects such as international cuisine, the world of wines, trends in international food production, to name a few. They also organize industrial visits, hotel visits, exhibitions, intra- and intercollegiate competitions as extended learning programs. The department has a proud lineage of more than 12 students in the first 10 ranks in the university. By virtue of the global nature of the course, the students get internationally as well as nationally placed after the completion of the program. They are handpicked world's best leading hotels such as Four Seasons in Riyadh, Jumeirah, Dubai, the Indus in Moscow, Le Trésorouk, Mauritius, Intercontinental in London, Marriott in Australia, Hilton in London, Miami Cruise Liners, and other allied establishments such as Emirates, Kuwait Airlines, Singapore Airlines, and top resorts and spas in the US. They are also handpicked by some very prominent industry giants in India like Leela Palace, Taj Group of Hotels, ITC Gardenia, Pride Group of Hotels, Palm Meadows, Chancery Group, Sheraton, the Oberoi, Royal Orchid Group, and the Raheja Group, to name a few. The future of this vibrant department only looks brighter.